I'm Kelsey with Two Structures. I'm over here at our model home, 7113 Northwest 156th Street in Rockwell Parke. And so I'm going to take this opportunity to show you guys around our model home because it is for sale. It's a great opportunity to buy in this Deer Creek neighborhood that has a lot of amenities. It has a pool, soccer fields, has playgrounds, and it's right across the street from Spring Creek Elementary. So I'm going to give you a pan of what the exterior here looks like. And let me flip it around. Here's the front of the house. It has a really cool flower bed landscaping area with these pavers. It's a 3-car garage. You can see that 3rd car over there. Has really nice upgrades in this house. These dormer windows are upgrades. That dormer is an upgrade. It's a corner lot, so you have a really nice front yard. I think the bus picks up right here. I've seen it a couple of times, so it picks up right there. There's the Spring Creek Elementary. Down your street. Now let's walk in and get this tour started. All of our homes are coming with these Schley keyless entries. And here is the entryway. We have some great lighting in this home. Floating shelves. We have under the stairs storage here. So what we don't typically do, which is an upgrade in this house, is this door side light system here. So you have a lot of natural light coming in. All the floors in this home are the rigid core, so it's really durable, and they have that pretty wood look to them. Here's the front bedroom, which can serve as a study. Has great walk-in closet in here. And from the entryway, you walk into the main living space. Have a built-in area here. It can work as a buffet. We're using it as a coffee, wine bar. We also added a lot of recessed lighting in here. These are LED disc lights. You have 3 shelves in here. The fireplace surround goes to the ceiling. This is a gas fireplace with the logs. Then off to the kitchen. This refrigerator will come with the house. We have 3 cm quartz countertops here on the island. A really big apron front sink. Gold fixtures, garbage disposal, dishwasher here. This countertop is quartz also. Gas 5-burner stove, slide-in range. And then we have your pantry here. Tons of room in your pantry for your KitchenAid mixer, all the food, your appliances in there. So what's an upgrade in this kitchen? Not only the backsplash and the 3 cm countertops, but we also have the cabinets to the ceiling with the LED lights inside those. So that's going to show off all your pretty dishes. Then I want to show you the other side of this island too, because it has the addition of the built-ins. So you could do your dishes there, your cookbooks there, kids' plastic cups so they can easily access them. And over here is your dining space and your patio and your fully fenced in backyard. It's a good sized backyard. We're gonna head over here to the master bedroom. We have this little nook with the lighting and area for your pretty pictures, and then in here is your master bedroom. You have a nice area here to put like seating to be able to read at night, and you have your sliding glass door off to your patio too, so you have your own entrance. So that's great if you have dogs and you don't want to go all the way to the dining room to let the dogs out. You can just let them out right here. Again, in the master we have the 4 LED disc lights in here, which is an upgrade. Off to the side here is the master bathroom. I love this master bathroom. If you didn't notice, these cabinets, these are a dark green color. And they really pop with the gold hardware. We have mixed metals, so we have the black Kohler faucets in here. Some good linen storage, both top and bottom there. Nice soaker tub. And then we have this really pretty shower. We have robe hooks. I really like this deco tile here. And this can light vents to the exterior too. The water closet is over here. It has a door for privacy. And then you have a walk-in master closet. It's a good, decent size. Master bedroom. We're gonna walk to the opposite side of the living space now. We're gonna go to the secondary bedrooms. In this hallway, have more storage, top and bottom, so great for blankets, puzzles, games, sheets, towels, whatever you need that for. This is a secondary bedroom, and it has the double doors on the closets in here. Out to this hallway, we have our Lennox thermostats. Here's the hall bathroom. So we did the double sinks in here, and all the sinks in this house are square, so that's an upgrade as well. We have the brushed nickel faucets, that's an upgrade. Then over here we did the water closet tub area, which is great for guests or kids. So one can be in here taking a bath and the other can be out here getting ready. And at the end of the hallway is the third bedroom, fourth bedroom, if you're counting this front bedroom as a bedroom. And this one has a walk-in closet. To the main living area, we're gonna go down this way. This hallway gets you to the laundry room. Here, more storage. And we'll go upstairs in just a moment. I'm going to show you the 3-car garage. Please don't mind our storage here. This will all obviously be gone, but we also have the cutout for the storm shelter, which you cannot see, but it's right over there. And then you have your attic access up top there. This here is your tankless water heater. That's over there. Head upstairs so I can show you what that looks like. So this is a perfect bonus room for movie time, game time, or maybe you want to use it as an office space, homework space. It's great because it also has a powder bath here. This one has the chrome. And then I want to show you the attic. So in the attic, I wanted to show you the blown-in insulation and then this radiant decking, which is standard with all of our homes. Up here, I noticed that they didn't take this tape off of this vent here, so I want to talk about what that is. That is part of the HERS test that we do on all of our homes. So that seals up the house and they push air through it and they measure how much air is coming out, and then that gets played into the HERS test, and I'll show you what that looks like downstairs just a minute. Okay, so for this house, 7113 Northwest 156th Street, this is the HERS rating, so that blower door test at the end of the construction gives us this score. So this is a 50. And then here is some examples of what the utility bills have been like at this house. See again, 7113 Northwest 156th Street. This is the gas bill, this one is $48. And then here's the electric bill. And this was from May to June. This was a $56 bill. Granted, no one's living in this house, but they're very energy efficient. And we have more examples for you to look through if you come over and visit this house for yourself. Okay, so thanks for sticking with me during that tour. We're all finished now. I'm just gonna run through the numbers of this house for you. The address is 7113 Northwest 156th Street in Rockwell Parke, Deer Creek School District. The square footage is 2,377. There's 3 bedrooms, 4 if you count the study in the front, 2.5 baths, 3-car garage, and we are pricing this house at $459,900. So come by, take a look at it, see for yourself why it's so beautiful. Thanks.